This video provides a comprehensive overview of mild steel square bars, including their applications. Mild steel square bar is a type of metal bar made from low-carbon steel. It is used in many applications, including the building, manufacturing, and automotive industries, and has a square cross-section. Mild steel uses in manufacturing and construction industries. They are ideal for several applications, including brackets, frames, reinforcements, fences, gates, trailers, window and door, trims, and many more. Square bars made of mild steel are easily welded, machined, and drilled. To increase their resistance to corrosion, they coat with different materials. It's crucial to consider the application, required strength and durability, when choosing a mild steel square bar. Overall, this video explains mild steel square bars, including their functions and upkeep. This video is an excellent source for learning more about this flexible material.